Mary Mills reporting, and when you get outside today, you'll notice definitely we're in the thick of summer.
Yeah, it definitely feels like summer out there, and with summer, unfortunately, we come to some storms.
Yeah, and I'm right now looking at spotty thunderstorms. I think everybody gets wet at least a little bit today, but I'm not looking for like a tornado outbreak or anything like that, which is good. I mean, we don't want to hear that. We do want to give you a shot of radar, and Bruce and Naomi, here we are at 6:16 with rain already showing up in the Midwest. Look at that line of thunderstorms. Probably what's going to happen is that this will decrease as the sun comes up in intensity, but this is a long line. This is from basically Wichita, Kansas, all the way into Chicago, and that's on the way here. We're going to talk more about that in a moment. But wow, we have the beginnings of a beautiful sunrise out there this morning. Already, we're at 73, winds out of the south-southwest. It is really humid out there. Our dew point is 67, so it's air you can wear. And we're going to see a quick warming today with pop-up thunderstorms along the way later on today. Some locally heavy downpours are possible in these storms. So again, keep that in mind. Now currently 73 in Indianapolis and also Lafayette, 71 in Bloomington and 70 in Richmond this morning. Now, it is going to be hot everywhere, but especially here, Peru, Marion, all the way up to South Bend, where a heat advisory has been issued. And I think that the heat indices this afternoon could be between 95 and 105, especially in our northern counties. In the meantime, you know, you've got the U.S. Olympic diving trials at the natatorium right across the street, and international friendly for the Indy 11. They'll take on CF Pachuca, the Mexican League champions today. We're going to try and keep that rain away. 92 degrees for that high, and that's this afternoon. And then tonight, Fish is out at Klipsch Music Center, and it looks like there could be some scattered thunderstorms, though not rain all the time for that concert. All right, slight risk of severe weather later on today for this area, which is basically our entire viewing area. And let me walk you through how this rain's going to arrive. As many of you are headed off to church today, you'll be just fine. By 11 o'clock, rain starts to move into our western counties. This is 1 o'clock. We'll have some pop-up showers and thunderstorms showing up on the radar. That's one wave. This will play out at about 4 o'clock, and then here comes this more substantive wave, and this will move through between 7 and 10 o'clock tonight. This is when we could see the locally heavy downfall and even the chance of some hail in parts of the area. So let's go 92 today, sun and clouds with a slight risk of severe weather. This evening down to 66, a hot 90 on Monday. But then dramatically these temperatures go down, so much so that by Wednesday, just 78 degrees for a high. Right now, it looks like the low 80s return Thursday and Friday, but that's where we're supposed to be. But Tuesday and Wednesday look by